Hop into the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, wireless Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.